Hey guys, reservation dito guys, BM3 birthday, yan o, kids party.
So for those kids na nakaprogram late din sa ating painter, kindly sit down before the handle sa ating papa. We're going to sing the party in 1 minute. Okay? Sige po, Kuya JR, yung ibang kids, papalamin muna dito.
Kids party po.
Okay, we have special announcements and happy mga guests, especially for the kids. We have advance and also we have sa ating mga
May magic yan guys, mamaya.
before that,
Mag-magic yan guys.
Please, so everybody, please let us all stand for our opening prayer. And together by church.